Hey guys, welcome to a tutorial of how to download Joomla 1.5 dot whatever. So I did a Google search, Joomla space 1.5, so it looks like this. Click the first link, it brings you to this page. So the link that I clicked is this one. This is the full package. So if you guys don't have your own web server, or if you guys don't have a local web server, then I'll make a tutorial video of how to get one installed. The one I use is called XAMPP. So let's go here. XAMPP, X-A-M-P-P. So I already downloaded it. I just downloaded it again. Wow, I downloaded it twice. Okay. So let's extract files. And let's specify a location. So we can call this Joomla 1.5. In the meantime, when getting Joomla 1.5 installed, whether you're on a web server or whether you're on a local web server, you're going to have to make a database. So most of the databases can be created by this thing called phpMyAdmin. So maybe if you're on your web host server, you might have a create database function, or go to phpMyAdmin, and you'll need to do that. So let's create a new database and call this Joomla 1.5. So basically this will be the database where all the data will be stored. Okay. Now let's go back to see if it's finished, which it did. Joomla 1.5 right there. So let's go check it out. Localhost / Joomla 1.5. So here's the installation. If you're installing English, that's probably a good idea, because I'm speaking it. Just click next through these. I have to click next through these. Here's a license. I should read it. Okay, this is important. The database I'm using is MySQL. The host name will be localhost. Username will be root, password will be null, and database name will be what I specified the database. It will be Joomla 15. So if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll try to answer it. It may be different on if you're using an actual web server. You might need to enter the username and a password, but most likely the host name will be localhost and your database name will be the database that you specified. So let's just go through this. I don't want to enable FTP. Site name. So specify email. This is not even an email. Oh. Specify admin password. Confirmation of an admin password, and let's click next. Okay, congratulations, Joomla is now installed, but we need to do this. Remember to completely remove the installation directory. You will not be able to proceed beyond this point. So what we're going to do is go into the folder. Let's go see where it is really quick. Remove the installation directory. Let's go to installation, kill that. Now let's go to site. So here's the first site. Is that pretty cool or what? Now you can go to admin, you can log in with credentials, and here we go. Joomla 1.5 installation.